guys, so this week we're doing a little cruise with myself and my buddy Nick. He's got his Focus RS here with us today. It's just a little cruise to commemorate the first year that I've been doing this channel. Tried to get a bunch of people together, but I decided to do it at 7 o'clock in the morning, so nobody really was up. So my bad, but next year hopefully it'll be bigger. Hope to keep doing this maybe a couple times a year. But this video should be pretty sick. I got the drone out a lot, so stay tuned and let me know what you think.
You did it.
Yeah.
You did it.
Emmy Jimmy. Yeah.
You did it.
Shoreline. Yeah. BC. Naked. Kryptonics. Yo. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. I was in love with my street skateboard. Ollie holes, finger rolls, handrails, kick flips, blunt slides, wall rides, slappies, and the gnarly grinds. On my mind, it competed with sex. Downtown, Julie Brown.
So Nick's car today that's going to be with us is a 2017 Focus RS. These things are all-wheel drive, 350 horsepower, 6-speed manual, and he's lowered this and got a short shifter on it. It's plenty of car. He's behind me most of today because I probably can't keep up.
Shit on the dare. My whole existence then was the road through the E. One of the only black kids to rep through the D.O.G.
I was in love with my street skateboard. I was in love with my yeah, you did it too with my street skateboard. I was in love with my Pusher.com. I was in love with my street skateboard. Diabolical. I was in love with my street skateboard. I was in love with my street skateboard. Yeah, I was born in the same time my ollies and hip-hop. From the time before record and skate companies went pop. Was a dirt-headed skater steadily dodging the jocks. And if not, we was getting chased up by cops. We would hit the boardroom, yeah, it was one of the stops. A cop a new deck from the spot and grim tape the top. Push off thinking, I'm so cavalier, I'm rolling a hop. But hit this 8-step rail and realize that I'm not. But I'm memorizing Thrasher magazine.
So we've reached our lunch stop, which today, yes, check this thing out. So our lunch stop today, which is Wonderview Cafe. If you've been watching my channel from the beginning, this was my 3rd or 4th video. We did some motorcycle rides. We stopped here for breakfast. So this has kind of been a reminiscing video of pretty much things I've done in the last year. So we need lunch and we'll figure what better place to stop than somewhere that's made an appearance before.
With the big air guns, elegant chairs. Not as does the impossible shit on the dare. My whole existence then was the road through the E. One of the only black kids to rep through the D.O.G.
I was in love with my street skateboard. I was in love with my yeah, you did it too with my street skateboard. I was in love with my Pusher.com. I was in love with my street skateboard. Diabolical. I was in love with my street skateboard. I was in love with my street skateboard. Yeah, I was born in the same time my ollies and hip-hop. From the time before record and skate companies went pop. Was a dirt-headed skater steadily dodging the jocks. And if not, we was getting chased up by cops. We would hit the boardroom, yeah, it was one of the stops. A cop a new deck from the spot, grim take the top. I'm so cavalier, I'm rolling a hop. But hit this 8-step rail and realize that I'm not. But I'm memorizing Thrasher magazines. Wishing I could pull the pro tricks and afford the final things. A new complete was worth more than golden diamond rings. I'm walking with my Walkman, bumping Rage Against the Machine. Dream is to get sponsored or be an MC. 1994 and 14, what could this mean? Fast forward, it's me. Go skate hosts connecting the scene. For the D, B, and P, some OGs.
You did it. Yeah.